Every morning, you look to the horizon and see a single sun. But what if there were two? This question from our follower Nuran Chelikjan takes us straight into a scorching reality. Two massive stars shining by side, orbiting each other in perfect cosmic rhythm. How would our lives, our planet, and our very existence be different? Today, we journey to the edges of physics and imagination. This scenario is actually far from unusual. More than half of all stars in the universe exist as pairs, what astronomers call binary star systems. These stellar duos orbit each other in an elegant cosmic dance that can last millions of years. In fact, that iconic double sunset in Star Wars, it was inspired by reality. On the planet Kepler-16b, astronomers discovered exactly that kind of view. Imagine Earth orbiting two suns. First and foremost, the very concept of night would be fundamentally transformed. During periods when both stars share the sky, true darkness would be nearly impossible. Seeds would sprout endlessly, plants would never wilt, and our sleep cycles would drift into undefined chaos. Yet when one star dips below the horizon, the sky would erupt in colors unlike anything we know today. A breathtaking twilight of red, orange, and golden hues, unlike any sunset on record. Two suns would shake our climate to its very core. If both stars aligned in close proximity simultaneously, Earth's surface would transform into a scorching furnace. Oceans would evaporate, atmospheric layers would be reshaped, and the life forms we know today might never have emerged at all. But everything hinges on the distance between the two stars. If the binary system were balanced enough, Earth could remain within the habitable zone, the so-called Goldilocks zone, and life could have taken a radically different evolutionary path. How would humanity itself have been shaped in such a world? Mythologies, religions, and calendars would have evolved along an entirely different path. Ancient Egyptians might have worshipped not one Ra, but two sun gods. Our calendars would be calculated around the complex orbital patterns of two stars. Solar energy would be far more abundant than it is today, and perhaps our civilization would have followed a completely different trajectory of technological development. A world with two suns would be brighter, more complex, and perhaps far more dangerous. But one thing is certain. The universe is diverse and breathtaking enough to make us ask these questions in the first place. Every time you look up at the sky, remember just how delicate the balance of our single sun truly is. If you could add a second sun to the equation, how would your life change? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.